Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for smart product insights and hands-on breakdowns. In today's episode, we're diving deep into what might just be the best carbon fiber 65-inch tripod on the market, the SLIK Pro CF-734. If you're a photographer, videographer, or a creator looking for the perfect blend of stability, portability, and pro-level features, stick around. You don't want to miss this. Let's start with the most immediate standout, the build. The SLIK Pro CF-734 is made from 8-layer carbon fiber, a material known for being lightweight yet incredibly durable. This construction makes the tripod weigh just under 2.9 pounds, which is pretty remarkable for a piece of gear that extends up to 65 inches in height. When collapsed, it shrinks down to just 18.7 inches, making it perfect for travel, hiking, or backpacking with minimal bulk. But don't let the lightweight fool you. This tripod is strong. It can support up to 11 pounds of gear, meaning you can confidently mount everything from compact mirrorless setups to heavier DSLR rigs with telephoto lenses. Whether you're capturing landscapes, astrophotography, or long exposure shots, the SLIK Pro CF-734 delivers dependable support and balance. The 4-section legs are engineered with SLIK's proprietary twist lock system. These locks feel solid in the hand and offer smooth, secure adjustments. You can extend or retract the legs quickly, which is critical when you're working under time pressure, like chasing the last light during golden hour or adjusting during fast-paced shoots. Another key feature is its 3-angle leg positions. This gives you the flexibility to shoot from a variety of heights and perspectives. You can go from full height all the way down to a low-angle macro shot, thanks to the adjustable legs and the removable center column. That's versatility that matters when you're shooting in dynamic environments, like uneven terrain, crowded urban scenes, or small indoor spaces. The tripod features anti-slip rubber feet that ensure a steady grip on most surfaces. From rocky trails to studio floors, the SLIK CF-734 remains planted. This stability is essential, especially when you're working with longer exposures where even minor vibrations can ruin a shot. As for compatibility, the tripod uses a standard 1/4-20 mounting screw, making it suitable for most heads, although it doesn't include one by default. That's actually a smart design decision, giving you the freedom to pair it with the head of your choice, whether you prefer a ball head, pan tilt, or fluid head depending on your shooting style. Setup is intuitive and fast, even for beginners. The feel of the materials, from the twist locks to the leg joints, reflects a high level of engineering. There's a tactile confidence in every movement, which speaks to the tripod's overall premium quality. It's ideal for outdoor photographers, traveling filmmakers, and creators who value portability without sacrificing stability. It's also a great match for hybrid shooters who need a tripod they can trust in both photo and video applications. In a crowded market of carbon fiber tripods, what makes the SLIK Pro CF-734 stand out is its perfect balance of weight, height, and load capacity. It's not overbuilt, nor is it fragile. It's just right, a thoughtful tool that supports your creative flow rather than getting in the way. At its price point, it offers exceptional value. You're getting pro-grade features, excellent materials, and dependable performance in a package that's easy to take anywhere. For creators who demand reliability without compromise, this is an investment that pays off every time you shoot. That wraps up our deep dive on the SLIK Pro CF-734, the best 65-inch carbon fiber tripod you can get your hands on today. If you're looking to elevate your shooting setup and capture steadier, sharper, and more dynamic content, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown on the best gear out there. Until next time, shoot smart and stay inspired.